What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. If you're new around here, my name's Sam Clark, and on this channel we teach you how to fix your car. Today's video is a very simple one. We're here in the Ford Fiesta. This is a 2006-7 model, and it covers up to 2011, I think. Anyway, yeah, Ford Fiesta. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace your interior light bulb. A very simple job, but a very common failure. Right guys, so the interior light, nice and simple job. As you can see here, we have a light. A lot of the time they do blow at some point or another. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a flat screwdriver, a small flat screwdriver. I've just got the actual bit on the end because you don't require much force, or any sort of flat screwdriver with an average size head on it. I'm going to stick it in the back here. I'll just show you close up first. There's like a small tab, maybe if I turn that off. So if you look in the very centre of the screen now, in the centre of sort of the light area, there's a tab that you can stick a flat screwdriver in, and you just go straight up first and then towards the windscreen like that. And that will pop it out at the back. Now, it's still sort of on two clips on the front. Sometimes it pops straight out in one hit, I've found, and sometimes, like now, there is actually two little sort of tabs there and there. So you can do the same again and pop the whole unit. Now you put your screwdriver down and you're going to get your hand and pull the whole unit out gently, because as you can see here, there's two wires connected to it. So the best thing to do now, just to not risk damaging these wires or connections, is to pop these off. They'll literally just slide out. Easier said than done with one hand, but they do just slide out. There you go. And same again. There. That's the wires disconnected, and now we can have a proper look at the light unit itself. So in the middle, you'll notice a sort of a black circle with sort of a raised bit, a bit of a tab on it. That twists. If you grab that and twist it anti-clockwise, like so, the whole thing will come out, revealing our bulb. If it'll focus. But yeah, you get the drift. And to get the actual bulb itself out, what we're going to do is you can pull the bulb out the holder. Again, it's a lot easier with two hands, but it just pulls straight up and out. Oh, in fact, there's two small tabs. Two silver tabs on each side of the bulb. You might have to squeeze them. Let's see if we can do this and film. There we go. Right guys, so you've got the bulb in the holder, two little tabs, and it just simply pulls out like so. Hopefully it will focus enough to see it. And then when you get your new bulb, you'll have your little holder like that with the two metal bits, top and bottom, and then that goes in simply like that. Any which way around it will fit. And then at this point, when your new bulb's in, try not to touch it too and put grease on it with your fingers, as it will shorten the life of the bulb, potentially. And now it's just a case of popping that back in until it lines up with its little tabs and turning it clockwise so it's nice and tight. And then we can refit the wires, which is the complete reverse of what you did to start with. They just slide straight back on. Like so. Probably a bit out of focus now. And now we can pop the whole unit back in. Now it literally just goes buttons facing forward in case you forget which way around it is, even though it'll only fit one way. And we're going to slot it in like that and then push up until you hear a nice reassuring click. And job's a good one. We have our light back. And that's about it for today's video, guys. that is how to remove and replace the interior light bulb on the Ford Fiesta. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button if you're new around here and you like these sort of tutorials videos. I do the odd reviewy sort, or you know, just looking around cars, but most of them are tutorials. If you have a tutorial in mind, something I can do that you'd like me to show you, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to get it filmed for you and help you guys out. But other than that, thanks for watching and until next time, peace.